opposite of Romanian embassy. So our protest is against Romanian extradition to Russia. We're asking stop Amina Girihanova's extradition to Russia. Save Amina Girikhanova. Justice for Amina. Freedom to Amina Girikhanova. Stop Russia's membership in Interpol. Free Amina. Freedom for Amina. Romania sacrifices to a tyrant. Case for human rights. Stop the extradition. Case for children's rights. Russia is the evil empire. No guarantees from Russia. Isn't Bucha enough for you? Looks like not. We're asking freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Free Amina Girikhanova. Stop Amina's deportation. Amina is innocent. All her fault is that she wants to live free. Russia has fabricated case against Amina Girikhanova and placed her on Interpol line. And now Romania trying to deport Amina Girikhanova to Russia, where she will be tortured and killed. Russia is evil country who breaching all human rights. So we're asking stop Amina's extradition to Russia. Save Amina's life. Save humanity. Save Chechnya. Save Ukraine. Justice for Amina. Stop Amina's deportation to Russia. Okay, we got one person watching. So that means we're live. Okay, no problem. Everything is first time first. Can you hear me? How is the hearing? I hope you can hear me well. Although this is a short video, in fact we will be ending this video at this point. But we're gonna show you first another Chechnyan flag. One. So we got one Chechnyan flag there, and one there, and all our banners. All we're asking to protect Amina Girikhanova's rights. We're asking freedom for Amina. Oh, actually, we got more people now coming, so we might stay a bit longer. Good. Free Amina. Justice for Amina. Freedom to Amina Girikhanova. Stop Amina's extradition to Russia. Okay. Now surprise. Okay, basically we are in London in front of Romanian embassy, and our demonstration is to support Amina Girikhanova. Amina Girikhanova is a refugee from Chechnya. She ran away from Chechnya because in Chechnya they are kidnapping and torturing, raping innocent Muslim people. As only her fault is that she is Muslim, because Sunni Muslim people are being persecuted in Chechnya by Sufi Kadyrovit's Putin soldiers. Basically, they call them Putin soldiers. Putin is the occupant. Putin is the terrorist who killed hundreds of thousands innocent Chechens. So people are running away because we don't accept their terrorist regime. And Amina Girikhanova was one of them. She has escaped and she wanted to live free. She did not want her to be tortured, raped and killed as they do another Muslim people. She found her refuge in Ukraine. She was living in Ukraine in the past 4 years. And when the Russia invaded Ukraine, Amina Girikhanova had to run away from Ukraine. And when she was coming to European countries, Romania has arrested her because Russia has put Amina Girikhanova on Interpol line. We are saying Russia is not supposed to be on Interpol line In first place, stop Russia's membership in Interpol. Romania's sacrifices to a tyrant. Free Amina Girikhanova. Justice for Amina. Case for women's rights. Case for human rights. Case for children's rights. Russia is the evil empire. We're asking stop Amina's extradition to Russia, where she will be put to jail and where she will be tortured and killed. We want to save Amina Girikhanova's life. Romania is trying to deport Amina Girikhanova to Russia. Russia is not supposed to be in Interpol line at first place. So we're asking freedom for Amina Girikhanova, freedom for all other Chechen people, freedom for Caucasian people, freedom for Crimean Tatars. Sorry if I say it wrong. I love you so much, my brothers and sisters from Crimean Tatar, from Crimea. We know very well what Russia is doing to you, and we support you as well. We also support all human rights. We also support all humanity. But today, our sister Amina Girikhanova is being deported, handed over to terrorists, to the terrorist hands. So we're asking stop Amina's extradition, save her life, save Amina and her son. Romania is committing a crime. Amina Girikhanova must not be deported to Russia because Russia created fake, fabricated case against her, exactly like Russia creates fabricated cases to another thousands of Chechens, innocent Chechens. We're asking stop Amina's deportation. Free Amina Girikhanova. Free Chechnya. Freedom for Ukraine. Save humanity. Peace. Как-то так, короче. Теперь и на русском. Попробуем. Шума Сумарша доил и на чеченском, и на русском, и на английском. Мы будем говорить правду до тех пор, пока вы нас не убьете. А вы нас убьете только тогда, если Всевышний вам позволит этого. Поэтому моя жизнь принадлежит мне. Моя жизнь принадлежит моему Господу. Я имею право на свою жизнь. И я решил говорить правду. Я против вашей лжи. Вы насильники, вы убийцы, вы пытатели, вы похищаете невинных людей, вы убиваете простых граждан Чечни, которые говорят правду. Где бы мы ни были, мы будем говорить правду. Мы будем говорить правду и защищать наши права. Вы не имеете права нас затыкать. Мы свободные люди. Так, ночи матайр дуэнс. Шуцернаш дуи. Ашрил вашил хартун шквардин хех мерхул чакьёйла хайнах. شو قواردين حيخ مرول چقدوی لا شو حقوش قدم واتر عبتيش يتخناخ ما دينش تكون اي شيء فيك ويدون دلاش ما ديال تكون اي تخوتها تيرريش دات والله بالله تلا شو ما دوي تيرريش شو ما دوي شامل دول تيرريستي نق حالات ادم حيز واش اتخنوش قومنت عز الله توش شو دويش تخدات تخمرش ناخدو تكون مرشو يز تكون تبيز ام شو دوي تو ام خيقواش بيش مسرنا دقیقه خودشو بیاه که عیز واش بهش دقیقه خناق بتاعت ما بیه تو هم مرج دید شون بالی دیر دوش دیل واش دک شون مرخ دیر دوش دیل واش دک و یو دویتر والله بالله طلع خیرشو چقیه والله بالله طلع ده شو کرع تعوم شامل دولم کرع دک شامل دولم لیل واش بک و دیل و الحمدلله تون کرع دو تون لی انچول بیشو لحتر دات سگیا شو خان دقوچری شو خان دقوچشو اش هم مايريات اش просто تغييل مسك نخبوي اش حاليه تش بتات بير برش اش تليل واشم داتسون شون هدو يتردو اش ليل دن زديسن هم دات صوت اشر چوا عد بيت خناخ بوخشو معيز دي توقام دول توقامن كوچر تون مرشويز هر تو مرش بچاقن بيرقيو اوزل هر يشون وي بيرق بيچايو صبردل It's такой турюэ. Харю хар собордал ваям хаю дани сирицан. Ой, бючек маршою. Вайн цадиез Путин عادل цадиез. Hun Sadias Putin Idol, Sadias Hun Mersch, Tropachak Mersch Gies. Shu Putin it's Ogulet. Itronach Hizwash Don, Putin Ilardesh, Lils Bandos, Duhar Amina Girikhanova, Yuhir, Tan Ichualer, Tansun Yediezer, Air Yedayet, Ayagar, Yot Air Yedin, Ukraine, Twam, Shubandos, Bel Bushubukum Bandos. Sigari Yed Hayan, Nit Huza, Deportation Hizwashu, Shadolhum Lilwash, their Kigwash, the Shudel Mosridu, Wayshuk Hoyk, Yudol Boshuk, Yudol. Admi Bakwan Slarie, I went to Warshwarins. Hello, my friend. Yes, yes.
2 minutes?
No problem.
Perfect.
We are in live. Actually,
We're live?
yes? Yeah, we are
That's
live.
good.
Yeah, go on.
Go on, what's your name, mate?
My name is Abdul.
Abdul.
Yes.
Okay, nice. What embassy particularly are you demonstrating against?
That one.
No worries at all. How long are you going to be here for?
I'm going to be.
Ballpark, an hour, a day, a
I'll
week?
tell you. We are here. It's supposed to be till 2:30.
Till 2:30? You expecting more people?
No.
No, just yourself, promote.
Just one.
Nice. What's it regarding? Obviously, I can see
Basically, Amina Girikhanova. 1 second. Here is the lady. We are from Chechnya. Okay. Here we go. Nice two officers, British officers. British. I just want to make one point. Yeah. Just give me a few minutes. British police never kidnap and torture innocent people, exactly like you do. You are the terrorist-run country. So we're asking, stop torturing, stop kidnapping people. So as you can see, this is a free country, and I'm a free man. So we're asking, all what we're asking is stop Amina's deportation to Russia. Basically, now I will explain to you in briefly. I'll try my best, yeah?
It's all right. Can I have a look?
This is Amina Girikhanova.
Okay.
She ran away from Chechnya because what is happening in Chechnya, I believe we all know now, especially what is happening now in Ukraine. The whole Russian-Chechen war has been revised now. Everybody now looking back to 1999 when Putin came to power. He came to power and he started war against Chechen people. Putin killed 300,000 Chechen people, including 42,000 Chechen children. Now in Chechnya we have Putin's run Kadyrov's government, terrorist regime, where they're killing, kidnapping, torturing Muslim Sunni people. Yeah, we don't have no problem with any humanity, you know. So we're asking, this lady, she ran away from Chechnya, she found her refuge in Ukraine. In the past 4 years, she was living in Ukraine.
Okay.
But in the last couple of months, the whole world has witnessed what is happening in Ukraine.
Oops.
Russia invaded Ukraine exactly like they invaded Chechnya in 1999. Before that, in 1994, they invaded first time. In our time we're talking about, yeah? After the collapse of Soviet Union, we became independent country. So Amina Girikhanova, let's come back to this and cut it short, the story. Amina Girikhanova, because of the Russian invasion in Ukraine,
Yeah.
she had to run away from Russian-Ukrainian war. When she was coming to Europe, in Romania, she was arrested. Why she was arrested? Because Russia has put her on Interpol line. Russia is putting Interpol line all Chechen people who run away from there because they hate opposition.
You're saying
you know.
Amina went to Romania.
She went to Romania and she was arrested.
in Romania, and you're campaigning because you'd like her
Yes,
released.
I'm saying stop Amina's deportation, give us chance at least to prove her innocence. They are giving her bad names, obviously. Who believes Russia? Romania does. So we're asking, stop believing the terrorist country, stop supporting the terrorism, and free Amina Girikhanova, give us chance
Sorry, can you take
to
this?
prove
That's this,
her innocence.
You've got any idea in you at all, anything like that?
1 second. I don't think I have ID with me. I wouldn't find it with me now. I think it's in my car.
Abdul,
You want?
yeah?
Yeah.
Abdul, what's your last name, Abdul?
Okay. I'm on live actually.
You're on.
Yes, I'm on live.
Or do you want to stop it and then we can have a
Окей,
chat?
окей. Короче, я сейчас выйду на связь, иншаллах. На этом я завершаю на данный момент. Да пока. 1 second.